Hey everyone, welcome back to Iphone Bloke, the tech tuber where we help quality people to pick up quality product. Right, so in today's video, I've got three basic mistakes which I want to talk about in my ongoing journey of YouTube as a YouTuber. And this is primarily a kind of a practical experience which I have gained, and I think I keep on watching on YouTube, and I just wanted to inform all my young YouTubers just like me. I'm also a young YouTuber. I'm not somebody who has a massive audience already. But yes, I can say today, after spending at least close to 6 months span on YouTube, I am somewhat understanding the algorithm, the ways to increase subscribers in a legal way, by the way, not in a fake way, and some of the best practices. And with the help of this particular video, I want to talk about those wonderful 3 points. So, if you are a young YouTuber like me, then please stay tuned because it will be a hardcore truth and a great guidance if you want to stay on YouTube for a good amount of time and be successful. So let's get started. Okay, number one, the million dollar point. Everyone today on YouTube talks about subscribers, views, quality content, how to have more people hooked up to a YouTube channel. But is it that easy? Nah, it's not that easy. It's really not that easy because today in 2021, the kind of competition you have on YouTube is fantastic. And I'm not going to talk about any of those already spoken and things which people have already published on YouTube. I'm going to talk about three ill practices which you should never do on YouTube if you really want to have a great career on YouTube as a digital content creator. Okay, I think I have three valid points which I want to talk about it, and I want you guys to listen carefully because I'm going to give you explanation for all these points. Point number one: sub for sub. I really feel sick for people those who talk about sub for sub. Let me take my own example. When I was growing up on YouTube in the first couple of months, I was crazy to have my subscribers. Trust me, I literally used to ask my friends, my people, those who know me, please help me with subscription. And they did it. But was it a really helpful one in the longer run with context to views, audience retention, watching my content? No, it was just, a kind of, okay, I'm doing a favor on you. Do you want that kind of audience? If your answer is yes, then sub for sub is for you. On the contrary, if your answer is no, then forget them. Just delete this particular sub for sub because sub for sub may give you subscribers. But these subscribers are gonna be fake subscribers. They'll never ever help you in terms of audience retention. They will never help you with the watch time. And these are two critical parameters, come what may, on YouTube to promote your videos. YouTube will only promote your videos when you have a good amount of audience retention. For example, if the video is of 5 minutes, YouTube expects your video to perform at least 50% of a watch time if you've published it. Only then your video is gonna get a lot of views, subscription, and audience retention. So sub for sub, please, for God's sake, if you really want to be a good YouTuber with context to name, fame, and money, don't do that. There are millions of platforms, billions of apps available which can give you, but I would not recommend. I did it initially for one or two sub, and trust me, it doesn't make any sense at all. It's a absolute fake policy, and good people like you all, as you all are good YouTubers, if you really believe in your content and your quality, whatever you do, fashion, blogging, gaming, whatever, if you believe you're producing a good content, then you just have to wait for a word called patience. Your time will come, and I'm sure you will grow. So please leave that ill practice one, sub for sub. Number two, forcefully getting subscribers. Now you must be wondering, how do you force people to subscribe you? I'm sure you have watched many videos by XYZ and YouTube creators, those who have, let's say, 50,000, 60,000 subscribers. They give you those tricks wherein you copy and paste your channel URL and then add subscribe, so that whosoever link is going to be shared with whomsoever, that person first has to subscribe you and then he'll be able to see the content. Let me ask you, if you don't like a chocolate and if I say you have to eat their chocolate, would you be happy? No. How do you expect your subscribers to be happy and to be a genuine one when they do not have an option to see your content first and then subscribe? So producing such link you are with the help of Bitwire and bitly.com, nah, it's not a good practice. Let's not do that. I mean, what fun do you get when you have somebody who is being forced to subscribe iPhone Bloke Amit Dwivedi? No, it's a bad practice. It won't give you that inner satisfaction and the confidence, because when you work hard and get the output, trust me, people will love you for your approach. It may take time, but people will surely love you. So that's number two. Do not create a link, share with people, those who have not yet subscribed, and then they have to subscribe and then they watch your content. That's again an ill practice. Are you a kind of a YouTuber who is a fake one? If you are, then do that. Otherwise, second ill practice, never ever do that. Third, promoting views. How do we do that? It's very simple. So you pick up your own cell phone, have one more cell phone, create a different content, open a YouTube channel without logging in, and then play your own videos. Come on, what are we talking about? Are we talking about a game? Are we talking about a fun? Are we talking about ill tricks? No. Why do you want to do that? If you are the only one who's going to go and watch your own videos, then record your videos the way I'm recording right now, put it in your very own so-called file folder and keep replaying it. If you yourself want to watch your own videos, why do you want to watch your own videos? Is it because you want to increase watch time? That's crazy, stupid stuff. Never do that. The ultimate satisfaction is in this process. When you create a video and there are people who come and watch you, how's that for a reaction? How's that for a satisfaction? Let's say if I've got a video which has today got 9,000 views, 8,000 views, 5,000 views, won't you feel happy about it? I really feel happy about it. When I create a video on iPhone, software, gadgets, tips and tricks, YouTube, and you come and say, you know what, Amit, this was a fantastic idea. Thank you so much. That makes my day. Not sub for sub, not forcefully asking people to subscribe you via link, and not just by playing your own videos via different mobile phone in your home so that you get unbelievable, retention and watch time for your videos. These are three ill practices I would never want you, in case if you want to be a fantastic content creator on wonderful platform of YouTube. I hope this was useful. If it was, give me a thumbs up, connect with me on Instagram, Twitter. And if you really believe that we're making a difference by giving you the best possible information, then subscribe. Thank you so much.